Hi everyone, Stacy Whiter here on behalf of Campus Mortgage with part 2 of a two-part video series on Freddie Mac's new Enhanced Relief Refinance program. Now just a quick reminder before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice or used in place of Freddie Mac guidelines. Also, this video was issued on November 6, 2018, and the information contained in this video is subject to change without notice. So let's continue taking a look at the program guidelines. So for this new program, lenders will not be required to comply with the standard waiting periods for derogatory credit events, so there is a lot more flexibility there. The max loan LTV, if the new refinance is going to be an ARM, is 105%. However, if it's a fixed rate, then there are no max LTV limits. Also, the new mortgage may include the payoff of the existing unpaid principal balance, closing costs financed in up to $5,000, and there can be no more than $250 cash back to the borrower at closing. If there are any excess proceeds at closings, the lender must apply those as a principal curtailment to the new mortgage. This is a very beneficial program for borrowers. Again, it is meant to be a replacement for the HARP program, which is expiring or ending on December 31st, 2018. The benefits include it will still allow the borrower to refinance into a more stable product, to go from maybe an ARM to a fixed. They can still take advantage of those higher LTV ratios. Again, the max LTV would be 105% for an ARM, but there's no limit if they go into a fixed product. And also they can hopefully and potentially reduce their interest and mortgage interest and principal payments and potentially their amortization term. All right, that concludes this two-part video series. Thanks so much for watching. For more tips and videos, please visit campusmortgage.org to look for their weekly mortgage video tips designed for all mortgage professionals, including underwriters, loan officers, processors, closers, and post-closers. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.